Hello everyone, this is Mama Teresa and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are still here in Baguio City and we are now going to the Northern Blossom in Atok, Benguet. So 5:30 AM yung call time sana namin with a travel agency, but sadly we were informed on the 11th hour. While we were waiting at 5:30, the agent messaged us na malilate daw yung driver. So we decided na i-cancel na lang namin yung binook namin na sasakyan and we went to the terminal for Atok, Benguet. So commute ang ginawa namin, guys. Gusto kasi namin maaga makarating sa Northern Flower Blossom para maabutan namin yung sunrise doon kasi sabi nila maganda yung sunrise. However, pagdating namin sa terminal, nag-wait pa ng iba pang pasahero bago umalis yung van na sasakyan namin. So ayan, papunta na tayo sa Atok, Benguet and madadaanan natin on the way yung Stobosa Colorful Houses dito sa La Trinidad, Benguet. Yung fare from Baguio City to Atok, Benguet is 250 pesos. However, it's a disadvantage. Hindi ka pwedeng umalis diretsyo. Hihintayin mo pang mapuno yung sasakyan or pwedeng bayaran mo na lang yung buong seating capacity. Halos 2 oras yung biyahe from Baguio to Atok, Benguet. And along the way, makikita mo ang magagandang tanawin. At medyo maliliit yung road or 2 lanes lang talaga yung roads dito and dapat extra careful yung mga driver natin. No overtaking talaga dito sa highway papuntang Atok, Benguet. Here in Atok, Benguet also we can find the highest point in the Philippine National Highway System with an altitude of 7,400 feet above sea level. Well, actually, it is now the second highest point because it has been dethroned by the new highway which is located in Ifugao. So right now, approaching na tayo sa Halsima Half Tunnel. Buti na lang yung driver namin is nag-toilet break dito, malapit sa Halsima Half Tunnel. So we were able to take pictures here even though we are on a commute. So ayan, ito yung half tunnel or Halsima Half Tunnel. This is a 50-meter portion of the highway na carved from the face of a huge rock. Kasi yung dating original highway was destroyed by the typhoon. It was washed out by the typhoon Trining in 1963.
Nagpa-view man yung truck.
So after the toilet break, proceed na tayo sa Atok, Benguet. So finally, we arrive here at the Northern Blossom Flower Farm. Siguro kay 2 hours naman eh, very maximum. Kay libot man na. So this is a private property, and before entering the farm, kailangan mo na mag-register dito and pay the entrance fee, which is 250 pesos na may kasama ng coffee and bread. And also, meron ding tour guide na sasama sa grupo nyo to tour around the flower farm.
Sa init, nagaganon po yung mukha nila.
Wasan pa yung hand? Ay,
Saan tao ba?
masama ni ay. Yung shadow. Dito na lang.
Sa ibabaw, mama.
Dito na lang ako.
Ayaw na ni Manang.
Ano daw ni? Kani? Rose. Rose cactus. Awa pa yung. So yun guys, hindi na namin tinapos actually yung whole farm. Hindi na kami pumunta sa baba. And hindi na rin namin na video yung coffee na binigay sa amin pagkatapos ng tour namin doon. Balik na kami sa Baguio City para makapag-lunch na din. Yun pa rin yung sinakyan namin na van, commute going back to Baguio City. So that would be all for this video. I hope you like this and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!